Welcome all of you for this Infosys live session. Welcome all of you. Please share this live video with every participant who is going to write Infosys exam. I wish you very all the best. And let's jump into the questioning pattern, which are exactly picked up from last few years question papers. If you got the answer, please try to comment this one quickly. Try to comment the answers quickly. Share this video with every participant. Among totally among 6 members of the family PQ, 6 members are there. And in this question, in this one, they are asking you how many females are there. How many females are there? Two statements are given, statement 1 and statement 2. By using these statements, can we find out the number of females in the family? If yes, comment your answer. Or otherwise, look at the first statement. What is the first statement? Q is the wife of P. Q is a wife, female, of whom? P. Q is the wife of P and mother of T. This Q is the wife of P. So P is obviously male only. Q is the wife of P and mother of T. This Q is mother of whom? T. And next one is what? R is grandmother of O. R is grandmother of O and R is mother of P. R is what? Mother. R is what? Mother. Mother of whom? P. R is mother. R is mother of P. And R is what? Grandmother of O. So one more person is there from this couple, O. Okay, by using this first statement, we are not able to identify how many females are there because there is no gender clarity of these two people. And let's go for the statement 2. What is the statement 2? T is the granddaughter of S. T is the what? Granddaughter. Granddaughter of whom? S. So obviously she is a male, he is female. These are married couples. So two married couples are there, and for Q and P, two children are there. But by using this one, totally how many females are there? 1, 2, 3. And we don't know the exact gender of O. O might be male or female. Without knowing O is male or female, how can we say how many females are there? Can we know? Can we say? No. Here the answer is for this question is both one and together are not sufficient, because by using both the statements also still we are able to not to say how many females are there. Okay. Next question. Can you answer this question? Two trains, A and B. Two trains, A and B, are moving in the same direction. Two trains, A and B, are moving in the same direction on parallel tracks. The speed of the train A is 160 km per hour and the speed of the train B is 70 km per hour. Okay, the length of the train B is 72 meters. The length of the train B is 72 meters. Trains A speed is more, definitely it will cross train B. Okay, train A completely overtakes train B in how many seconds? Only 5 seconds. That means definitely train A might be more speed and distance is also more. Okay, they are asking you find the length of the train A. So distance is equals to speed into time. We have to identify the length of the train A. It is crossing train B. Okay, what is the speed we have to take? If only train A is going, train B is at the same position, we used to take only one speed, nothing but 160 kilometer per hour. But here two trains are moving now. That's why you have to take the relative speed. What is the relative speed when they are going in same direction? X minus y. What is the x value? 160 kilometer per hour. Y value 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, 70 kilometer per hour. And what is the speed? 90 kilometer per hour. 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, 90 kilometer per hour. So s is equals to 90 kilometer per hour, and it is crossing the train B in how many seconds? Only 5 seconds. Here distance in time is in seconds, here is hours. Distance must be same all the time. For that purpose I will convert this 90 into 5 by 18 meter per second into 5 seconds. Now seconds are same, cancel. Finally distance is equal to in meters. Okay, 18 ones the 18 5 the 5 5 the 25, 25 5 the 125. What is the distance of the second train? Nothing but train A, 125 meters. What is the answer? 125 meters. Can you comment this question? Which of the following equations show that P is father of S? P must be father, nothing but P is male. Okay, in the first question, after P, what is the symbol? At the rate. At the rate indicates what? Brother. Brother is male. Hold it. Option 2, hash is there. Hash indicates what? Paternal grandfather. Grandfather is also male. We also want male. Hold it. And last one is what? Dollar. Dollar indicates what? Dollar indicates what? Son. Son is also male. Hold it. So we cannot say by using gender elimination. So use the logic. Option 1 first. Between P and S, how many symbols are there? One, two, three symbols are there. First symbol is what? At the rate. At the rate indicates what? Brother. And dollar. Dollar indicates what? Dollar indicates what? Son. Okay. Hash indicates what? Grandfather. Grandfather. Okay. So we have to identify the relation between P and S. Start from S, continue up to P. Okay. First grandfather. Grandfather. Grandfather's son. Grandfather's son. Grandfather's son is obviously father. Father's brother, uncle. So P is the uncle of S. But what we want to, P is father of S. Option 1 cancel. Option 1 cancel. Okay. Next option 2. Next option 2. Between P and S, how many symbols are there? First hash, grandfather, at the rate, brother, dollar. Dollar indicates what? Son. Identify the relation between P to S. Start from P. Start from S, continue up to P. Ready? First S. S indicates what? S indicates son. Son's brother. Son's brother is obviously son's son's brother is obviously son only, no? Okay, son. Son's grandfather. Son's grandfather is our grandfather. So son's grandfather is our father. So P is the father of S. So we also want P is the father of S only, na? Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Can you answer this question? Two friends, Jaya and Vidya, walk from M to N, distance of 27 kilometers. This distance is what? 27 kilometers with the speeds of 4 and 5. Okay, M and N distance is 27. Two people are there, J and Vidya, and Jaya speed is 4 kilometer per hour. Vidya speed is what? 5 kilometer per hour, respectively. Okay, so who will reach in point fastly? Definitely, whose speed is more? Vidya speed is more. Vidya will reach the destination fastly compared to J. Okay, so Vidya reaches the point. Uh, which Vidya reaches the point N and returned immediately and met Jaya at point O. Because of her speed, Vidya reached N and came reverse, and she met first person Jaya at point O. The question they are asking you, what is the distance between M and O? What is the distance between M and O? Okay, so look at this question. First person, Vidya is the Vidya. Vidya speed is what? 5 kilometer per hour. She is traveling, let's say, time. Time is equal to what is the formula? Distance by speed. First, Vidya is coming M to N, total distance, nothing but 27 kilometers. In what time? In what speed? In what speed? Her speed was 5 kilometer per hour. Kilometer cancel. T is equals to only hours are left. 27 by 5, nothing but 5 the 25. 2 is the remainder. 5 for the. So totally, Vidya is taking how many hours? 5.4 kilometers. 5.4 hours to reach the total destination. To reach the total destination. In this 5.4 hours, how much distance covered by Jaya? Jaya distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, what is the Jaya speed? 4 kilometer per hour into what is the in what time? 5.4 kilometer, 5.4 hours. Hour cancel. Distance is equals to 4 into 5.4. 4 into 5.4 is nothing but what? 4 5 the 20. 4 5 the, okay, 4 5 the 20 plus and 16, 0.16. So totally, how much distance we traveled? 20.16 kilometers. In the 5.4 hours, Vidya reached the destination, but in that time, Jaya reached only wo, let's say 20.6. She is at here only. Okay, comment your answers, everyone. Okay, in this time, totally, she reached her destination one person. That nothing but 27 kilometers she traveled. Totally here 1.21 point. Okay, very good, commented person. I took wrongly here. It's 20. 1.6 kilometers she traveled. Okay, so what is the distance between what is the distance between O and N is 27 minus 21.6. Totally, how much distance? 5.4 kilometers. Okay, 5.4 kilometers. And after reaching the destination, Vidya turns back and meets Jaya. Turns back and meets Jaya. Let the time taken after running back be T hours. T hours. In that T hours, Jaya covers total distance 40 kilometers because distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, and Vidya covers 5t kilometers because Vidya speed was 5 kilometers and in T hours. Together they covered 5.4 kilometer gap between them. Okay, so they both cover the distance 4t plus 5t is equal to how much distance they covered? 5.4. So totally 90 is equals to 5.4. T is equals to 9.4 by 9, nothing but 0.6 hours. Nothing but 0.6 hours. Jaya has already covered the 21.6 kilometers and turned back before Vidya. So in that case, she covered 4 into 0.6, nothing but 2.4 kilometers. So totally, in previous case, she covered 21.6 kilometers plus now 2.4. Totally, how many kilometers? 24 kilometers. 24 kilometers. Very interesting question. It's a little bit puzzle oriented also. Please write them in order stepwise because it is a big problem. Can you answer this question? Next is equals to means brother. So we have to identify the relation between P to S, starting from S, continue up to P. Okay, first B. B indicates what? Brother. Brother's sister. Brother's sister. Sister only. Sister's mother. Mother. So P is the mother of P. P is the mother of P. P is the mother of P means definitely S might be the daughter of P. Yes, possibility is there. First one. Okay. First one possibility is there. And the next one. S is the son of P. S might be the son of P also. Yes, this is also possible. Second one is also possible. And third one, P is the sister of R. So between P and R, how many symbols are there? First minus. Minus means mother. Plus, plus means sister. So you have to start from last. Sister. Sister's mother, mother only. P is the mother of R. But they are saying P is the sister of R. No, it is Cancer. Which option is correct? Either one or two. Both chances are there. Okay. Can you answer this question? How many women dancers? How many women dancers are either lawyers either lawyers or footballers, but not both. First, how many women? Women is nothing but what? Circle. Women is nothing but what here? Circle. How many women dancers? So women, and also they should become dancers. Dancers means triangle. So our answer might be this portion. Okay, how many values are there? 6, 3, 13. Our answer might be any of those. Okay, how many women dancers are either women dancers, either lawyers. Lawyer indicates what? This rectangle. This rectangle. In this rectangle, totally 13 is not there, it is eliminated. So only two options are there, 3 and 6. And this 3 is related to what? This 3 is related to what? Lawyer. Woman, dancer, and lawyer. 3. And footballers, footballers, this woman, dancer, and this is a footballer. Footballer. This 6. So they are asking you, it should not be either 3 or 6, but not both. Not both means they can be women dancers. They can be what? They can be women. They can be women and dancer. Women and dancer, either lawyers. These three are women dancer, either lawyers, but not but either lawyers or footballers, but not both. But not both. If you take 6, what is the problem? If you take 6, what is the problem? They are becoming. They are in lawyers. They are in footballers. They are in women's, and they are in dancers. This 6 is not the correct answer because they are not asking for both. They are asking either lawyers or footballers. In this case, they are happening to be lawyers, footballers, dancers, women. So answer is only 3. Can you answer this one? P, Q, R, S, T are 5 friends who are also sports persons. P and Q to play football. How many people are playing football? P and Q, R, T love to play cricket. How many people are there playing cricket? Q. And the next one, P, R, S love to play hockey. How many people are playing hockey? P, comma, R, comma, S love to play hockey. And next one, PST loves to play badminton. How many people are playing badminton there? P, comma, S, comma, love to play badminton. And next, love to play badminton. And next, QRS loves to play volleyball. How many people are playing volleyball? Q, R, S. Okay. Who loves to play hockey, badminton, but does not love to play cricket? Okay. So who loves to play hockey and badminton? Hockey and badminton. What are the common people in this? What are the common people in this? PS, PS. P, comma. Yes, they love to play hockey and badminton, but not love to play cricket. They must not play cricket. They must not play cricket. They must not play cricket. So comment your answer. Who are they? P and S loves to play hockey at the same time badminton also, but they are not willing to play cricket. Comment your answer. Good. One more question is there. I am outdoor on a cloudy day. Does it mean that I'm carrying an umbrella? One person is there. He is outdoor on a cloudy day. Does it mean that I'm carrying an umbrella? Statement one. It is raining. As per the statement one, we cannot say he is carrying an umbrella or not. It is raining means can be all the time he cannot go with the umbrella na, if it is raining or not. Okay. By statement one, we cannot say that he is carrying an umbrella. Statement two, strong wind is blowing. Strong wind is blowing means does he take an umbrella along with him? No, this is also not possible. Answer must be what? Both the statements are not sufficient to get the answer for he is carrying an umbrella or not. Can you answer this one? A person travels from point A to B at 20 km per hour and comes back B to A at 60 km per hour. That means distance is same. When the distance is same, average speed of the car, average speed is equals to, when the distance is equal to same, average speed is equals to 2xy by x plus y. X and y are speeds. Okay, average speed is equals to x value 20, y value 60. By 20 plus 60 nothing but 80. 20 ones the 24, 4 ones the 4 15, 2 into 50 nothing but 30 kilometer per. Hmm. Can you answer this question? It is from Syllogisms. Some bikes are bats. What is it? Some cars are bats. Some cars are bats. All bats are bikes. All bats are what? Bikes. Okay, conclusions. What is the first conclusion? Some bikes are bats. Some bikes are bats. In this bikes portion, in this bikes circle, some portion is becoming bats. Yes or no? Yes. Whatever they are saying is correct. Okay, next one. No bats or bikes. They are saying no relation between bat and bikes, but there is the relation between bats and bikes. There is the relation, but they are saying no. That's why it is wrong. Only conclusion one follows. Can you answer this one? X and Y are walking in opposite directions. They meet each other face to face at 4 p.m. X finds a shadow of Y to his left. In which direction was X facing while walking? In which direction was X facing while walking? Look at here. At 4 p.m., sun will be in west side. Sun will be in west side, and shadow will come in east side. Shadow will come in east side. Okay. X finds the shadow of Y to his left. Shadow will come in west side on east side only. Na? In the evening, shadow will come in the east side only. Okay. So X finds the shadow of Y to his left. Okay, to his left. Suppose X is here, X is here, and x left side is this side. In this left side, y shadow is there. In this left side, y shadow is there. So x is looking south and y is looking north. Y is looking what? North direction, upside. Okay, if he is looking the upside, obviously in the evening his shadow will be in this direction, nothing but which is left of x. Left of x. X is facing south, y is facing north. In which direction x is walking? South direction. Can you answer? What is the question they are asking you? Working alone, how many days would q take to do the work? Statements. First statement. What is the first statement? P and Q. P and Q can work, can complete the work in how many days? 8 days. P and Q are equally efficient in doing the work. By statement 1 alone, we cannot get the answer. If you combine the statement 2 with 1, we might get the answer. Like P and Q are equally efficient. Nothing but if Q eat one chocolate, P eat one chocolate, Q also eat one chocolate. That is called equal efficiencies. In one day, they are eating how many chocolates? Two chocolates. If they work together in one day, how many chocolates they can complete? Two chocolates can complete. In one day, two chocolates. Like that, they worked for 8 days. Nothing but totally, how many chocolates are there? 16 chocolates are there. Because in one day they are completing two. Like that, they are working 8 days. So 8 into 2, totally 16 chocolates are there. If 16 chocolates can be eaten by Q, how many days it will take? Q chocolates per day, Q capacity per day, only one chocolate. Only one chocolate. How many days it will take? 16 days. But the answer is not 16 here. Both the statements are sufficient to get the answer. Both the statements are sufficient to get the answer. Uh, can you comment this question, please? I'm expecting your answer for this question. Very easy. You have to identify the different pattern. Everyone is in the same relation except one. What is the different term you have to identify? I think one question already I gave to you. This one. I will tell you this one and you can go for that. What is the logic here? Plus 3, minus 3, plus 3, minus 3. So identify plus 3, minus 3, plus 3, minus 3. Yes. Here plus 3, okay, but minus 3 L not. Plus 3, okay, but minus 3 not. Plus 3 is not okay. Option A is the correct answer. I told you one problem, and this problem you have to comment. If you are really intelligent person, if you are really an intelligent person, you can comment. You have to comment. You have to answer